Congratulations on the purchase of your new Ocean Blue Mighty Step. Hi, I'm Matt. In this video, I'll take you through the step-by-step assembly of your new step. You may want to follow along with the printed instructions that came in the package. The tools you'll need are a cordless drill with a Phillips bit and a 1/4 inch drill bit, a rubber mallet, a 7/16 inch wrench, and a pair of pliers. In addition, you'll need 50 pounds of sand and a funnel. So if you're ready, let's get started. To keep things organized and to make sure all the necessary pieces have been included in the box, find a flat surface to work on and lay out all the pieces like this. First, use the funnel to pour 25 pounds of dry play sand into each side panel. You will need to shake the panel a little to get the sand to settle at the bottom. When filled, simply cap the holes with the push plugs provided. Next, lay one of the side panels down on a flat surface. Starting with the bottom riser, position it so the air vent holes located on the top edge face upwards. Next, insert the two tabs on the end of the riser into the two slots located in the side panel and push down until seated. With the rubber mallet, tap the riser down until it's locked into place. Position a step tread over the riser and into the slots on the side panel. With the rubber mallet, tap the tread down until locked in place. Place the next riser into the slots on the side panel just above the tread and push down until it's seated. Again, make sure the air vents are facing up. Now you will need to install one more step tread, one more locating tread, and two risers. At this point, with all the risers and treads in place, your step should look like this. Next, position the second panel over the risers and step treads, making sure to align all the tabs on the side panel. Tap down on the side panel until all treads are locked in place. This will require several hard hits with the rubber mallet. Now, with the step still on its side, position a foot pad over the round extension located on the bottom of the side panel. With several hard hits with the rubber mallet, force the foot pad over the extension. To attach the other two foot pads, simply flip the step upside down. Now let's stand the step upright. Now we're going to install the handrail posts. Now it's time to put your Mighty Step in the pool. First, remove the two white caps from the side panel fill holes. Then lift the step over the pool wall, being careful not to damage your pool liner or pool frame. The step will float until the air is out. So simply tilt the step to the left until the fill hole in the side panel is underwater. Hold the step tilted until all air bubbles stop, then cap the fill hole. Next, tilt the step to the right and repeat this process. Now the step should be sitting firmly on the bottom of the pool. If you're using your step with a pool deck, rotate the two deck connectors so that they're sitting on the deck. Attach each deck connector using two number 10 by 1 1/4 inch self-tapping screws. Next, attach the deck connectors to the handrail posts using two number 10 by 1 1/4 inch self-tapping screws. Apply the two safety labels on the upper handrail posts so that they're visible when entering the swimming pool. Be sure to check out the list of safety rules on the printed instructions included in your kit. It will give you tips on not only using your pool steps safely, but instructions on winterizing and maintaining your new steps to ensure use for years to come. We hope you found this video beneficial.